Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is John and we have a little bit of a change of scenery for this intro. Nothing too special, just in my room for this intro because we decided that we were just going to never end up getting any drone video for the video that you're about to watch. This video we went out on Cody's little dinghy and went out to a river in Holiday or New Port Richey area in Florida, and we had me, Jordan, Cody, and my brother just fishing all day and burning ourselves because now I have the worst tan line in history, so that's fantastic. But I'm just gonna let the video roll and hope you guys enjoy. And there's a fine line between having and losing control. Did you see him surface?
Fucking surface, bro!
Is he big, Cody?
Hang
on, do you guys want to weigh him?
I thought it was a monster.
Oh yeah, let's weigh this monster.
It's gonna be the only fish that we weighed today.
Hold on.
I'm gonna recast.
We have to weigh him, man. Dude, he's a monster. Oh my, get the fucking weight out here. We gotta zero this bitch in right now.
He's 1 pound.
1 pound. He's a fucking pounder.
They all shit themselves.
He's out here. He ain't shitting on my boat. We need the net. We're not gonna be able to catch him. Where's the net?
I don't think it's. Is it still on?
That's my phone.
It is still on.
Hold on, John.
Oh
my God.
What do you mean, oh, Kenny? It's the same size as the other one I caught.
John, I have a net.
We gotta weigh him. We must weigh him. There, Kenny's gonna weigh the fish.
Never mind, the net's fucked. I can't weigh him. I can't fucking weigh him.
You're going to weigh said fish.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Is he more than a pound?
Congrats.
He's 1.5 ounces or pounds?
1.5.
There you go.
Sorry, 1 pound, 5 ounces. That's much.
Not 1.5.
He's not.
So
Oh, I hooked him straight in the forehead. Oh, his eye. Hang on. His eye is fucked.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a grip on this now. Yeah, he doesn't have a fucking eye.
He's still got an eye. What do you mean?
Oh, he's shitting everywhere.
He's still got AI. What the fuck do you mean, Cody?
AI? Like artificial?
Yeah, like fucking Popeye. He's got a goddamn eye.
It's his choice where he goes. Oh, he really doesn't want to swim anywhere. My drag is so loose right now. Look at this, Cody.
Reel the bitch in. You said you want to.
See how much he doesn't care?
Don't worry, John. I got him. I got him.
Oh,
I got him.
He's gonna break my. Oh.
Tiny ass fucking fish. Cody's gotta close his net because that net was very necessary to get the fish out of the water.
We could have not caught that fish without this net.
Can't wait for Jordan to fall. What?
That's not my problem.
We have towels in the truck. Yeah, we brought. Me and Kenny brought 2.
Oh, well, you guys brought towels,
Hello.
What are we doing today?
Fucking fishing.
Oh,
Ain't catching.
damn.
Yeah, we're not catching. That's
What was
why
that,
it's
Jordan?
called fishing.
He's fishing, he's not catching.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Cody. Oh my God, it's huge. I think my pole's gonna break. Oh, yeah, what shall I ever do?
There's
fucking nothing there.
I'm just saying you're pulling down.
Did it?
It fucking did.
Oh. You getting heat stroke or something, bud? Do you need some help?
And now John has to recast because he doesn't think he has any bait. Or because that spot that he's in is in a good spot.
My pole is.
Oh,
He doesn't like where his pole is. His pole's not in a good spot. Catch much better fish in a different spot.
Hey, Jordan, you got a fish! Oh my God!
I have a fish, Cody. Is he still on there? No, yes, he fucking is.
Oh, reel him in! Come on, let's go! We got a fucking fish! Look at him! Oh my God, he's gonna surface! Wait! Jordan's taking fucking 20 years to reel him in! Oh my God! Here he comes! There he is! Oh shit! He's running with it! There he is! Dude, that's at least 3 feet long! Holy shit! Look at that! You caught a fucking monster.
Call your ass Jeremy Wade because this is a river monster.
Where's the hook?
The hook's in his fucking stomach. That's really fucking funny.
Hey, get my bait.
He is a mean.
Oh, 1 pound.
1 pound, 2 ounces. Ounces? Ounces.
Yeah. That's why we got these pliers. You can go
Fuck. Give me the fucking hook.
Pipe him down, Cody.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Yeah, I got my fucking bait back. You're welcome. Much appreciated. So I can catch him again. See, I told you over there's the spot. You people don't fucking listen. We're going back.
Just remember who bait the hook. Oh wait, I did. Who told you were gonna catch a fish? Oh, that's right, I did.
No, you said I was gonna catch a monster. You didn't see a fish.
A monster is still a fish.
Is this the same retard we caught last time? Seems very,
Seems a little out of it.
Look at him. He's like, yeah.
He's like, oh, cool, I got hooked. 1 pound, 10 ounces. And how much of a weight is that? No, the like what ounce is that weight?
They moved to a different spot?
We have no problem fishing here. Cody has caught yet another fish, so we're gonna see what's the record today. 1 pound and 9 ounces. And he's gone. Look at that. What a nice release. Oh boy, we got another one with Cody Charniski on the Shimano pole again. Probably, chances are, another catfish. Probably weighing in about 1 pound and 7 ounces. I'll call it now. He's really putting up a fight. Look at those ripples. Oh my God, he did a flip. Oh damn, he's big. Look at that nice green. That's a quality fish right there. Nothing but your Florida zone channel catfish.
Assuming the weight is 2 ounces and 1 pound 2 ounces. 1.4. Yeah.
It bounces between 1.4 and 1.5. Cody Charniski has caught yet another fish. Jordan thinks it's a 2-pounder. Let's see what it is. It's at least 2 pounds.
Shaved off.
It's at least 2 pounds. Let me see that fish. Jordan, the camera can't see the fish.
I need my line.
What do you have to say for yourself, Cody?
My Shimano pole helped me to this victory today.
How about the pin reel? Did it help?
The pen reel did shit, like typical pen design.
I have caught my first fish within hours on the Shimano pole with some unknown reel because I've had it for ages. Cody's now going to weigh said fish. If it weighs more than 1 pound and 5 ounces, it is my record fish for the day.
1.1.
He is not my record fish of the day. That means he can suck my ass. He is now primed and ready for the Charniski to pull him off of the hook using the Charniski weigh. And he's gone. So this is what we've resorted to. Is Jordan sleeping, or not sleeping, but being a lazy shit at least. Cody's a little frustrated, understandably. And we've got 3 lines just facing each other.
Oh my God, John's got a fucking monster.
Okay.
Oh, you lost it.
Oh yeah, I did.
Just like the retard did. Look at that. Had to be filming. You lost the fish.
Yeah.
Lost the fish.
Got nothing now. Yep.